All right, let's take a look at a really nice Zippo design today. Now this one came with the protective sleeve, and it says Leaf Design. It's a genuine Zippo, made in the USA, and it also says Leaf Design on the label above the barcode. This is made in Bradford, PA. So this is it's an armor design also, which makes it really nice. It's got that shield with a flame above it and the A inside the shield. The distinctive symbol on the bottom stamp authenticates this lighter as heavy walled armor. The armor case is about 1.5 times as thick as a standard Zippo case. So here is the Leaf Design. Very heavily etched or carved. And it's on a black ice finish, which is very reflective. It's a mirror finish. And there is the armor symbol right there in the lower right hand corner, the A inside the shield. This was made in C of, I think that's 19. Yeah, it looks like 19. So that's March of this year. Now a couple years ago they changed the location of that armor shield right there. Here's what it used to be. You can see that A shield right in the middle below the Zippo logo. Now they put it on the lower right because it was taking up too much space. So after they moved it from the center, it gave the stamping a little bit more room to put the Zippo logo on it. So they did change that armor stamping a couple of years ago. This is a really nice one. It's the Leaf Design. Got a steel insert. Really good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Leaf. A lit drop test. So the Leaf Design passes the drop test nicely. These armor Zippos are really nice. And definitely deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.